Hi, I'm Tim from Prime Perspectives, and today I'd like to advise you of some helpful tips for getting your home ready for real estate media production. We're a professional real estate media production team, and we specialize in floor plan drafting, floor plan sketching, 3D renders from architectural plans, real estate photography, and real estate cinematography tours. We understand that preparing your home for real estate media can be a somewhat daunting task. However, we're here to assist you in grasping the perfect media for your real estate listing. Whether you're wishing to sell, rent, or grasp that beautiful 3D visual of what your new home might look like. Let's get straight into it. Firstly, let's discuss the basics upon getting your home ready for real estate photography and video. Before one of our team members arrive on site, we suggest you get the basics done. That means vacuuming, making your beds, ensuring everything is dusted and decluttered. Decluttering makes a vital impact on your presentation, and it advises potential buyers of the true space that is available. Don't overthink this and go removing any of your furniture unless it's taking up a lot of space. I'm talking more about newspapers on bench tops, magazines, shoes in the hallway, kids' toys on the ground, and pet bowls that may be lingering in your kitchen. Kitchens and bathrooms are notorious for clutter, so removing any shampoo bottles that may be on the bench tops, hair straighteners, hair dryers, fridge magnets, and shabby looking towels are probably a good idea. Adding some plant life around the home also really modernizes your home. It gives it a sense of vibrancy, and sometimes we'll capture detail shots of this vibrancy and nice little styling techniques that you've implemented. So I highly recommend putting some plant life within your home for your photography session. Some other small touches may include highlighting the feature areas of your home. This shows potential buyers of the lifestyle that they may be entering if they were to purchase. Small touches such as wine on a bench top with a few wine glasses, or even a platter in an outdoor entertaining area. Ollie, stop eating all of the cheese. Please also ensure that all of the areas in your home are unlocked so we can grasp the correct measurements for your floor plan drafting and sketching. After you've completed these steps and prior to us arriving, we ask for one more thing, and that is ensuring that all of your blinds are open and all of your lights are turned on, including bedside table lights. Following these steps will make your home look absolutely fantastic, and it will show the potential buyers of the true space available and hopefully grasp a great sale price on your listing. As for our 3D rendering work, send us your architectural plans with your color palette and we'll get straight to work in bringing your vision to life. We look forward to meeting you at your residence and capturing real estate media for your home. For more information on our services, visit primeperspectives.com.au.